Thanks for the
Okay.
song. What's the title of this?
Here for each other.
Written by Chabeli.
And the
Thank
date
you for
For-
this sideways moment.
April 20th,
That was fun.
2016.
For your 20th anniversary. Oh, I'll never be blue when I'm with you. I see you for eternity. Oh, I'll sing this song as life goes on. Although the troubles around, you'll be safe and sound. Oh, we'll always be true to only you. Wherever you may be, you'll be here with me. I love you so, and never will. And though we be old, it will never go cold. So we'll be here together, each other's arms. We'll be here forever. Nothing can harm us. And we might be apart in the lives that we're living, in the trials we're enduring. When the love we're giving to each other, we'll be in each other's hearts. And I love so much, just made it and a sugar rush. And when I'm feeling kinda lonely, you're always right here for me. And if I ever get scared, I know that you're right there. Feel when you hold me, those are days out warm and sunny. I love you, and you know why. It's higher than the bright blue sky, it's deeper than the deep blue sea. You're always right here for me. We're still together, you and I. Years go by, because we love each other, never say goodbye. What we had is true love, days together, never ever stormies. It's brighter than the stars above, and they'll go forever, like a never-ending story. And we'll stay this way all our lives long. So we'll be here together in each other's arms, and we'll be here forever. Nothing can harm us, and we might be apart in the lives we're living, in the trials we're enduring, with the love that we live to each other, in each other's hearts.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Happy
thank
anniversary.
you.
Happy anniversary to you.
Thank you for the song.
You're welcome.
You like it?
You guys are really with each other. Say hi.